there, hope you're well. Using Kuretake colours today, saffron yellow, green grey, billiard green and shadow green. I'm just going to paint some stone shapes with these lovely colours. So just grabbing some paint out of the pan and just simple little shapes of stones. Just spreading the colour around. Stones will usually be lighter in the middle, just the way the light hits it. So I'm going to grab some colour, go around the edge again. Sort of blend that colour out into a different green. Spreading the colour out from the edges to the centre. Trying to neaten up this line here. And water to complete that circle. Just dabbing a bit more colour underneath the stone. Picking another colour. This is like a bluey grey, this one. Make a nice clean line around. Adding a bit of water, just blending those colours in to the centre of your stone. You can see the lighter shade just here at the top. Bring that around, just to neaten it a little bit better. And then I've got this lovely limey, zesty kind of green, which will offset lovely the darker greens. Just going to add a few shapes here. Just gives the painting a little bit of a zing. Lovely contrast of colour. Okay, so that's what we're left with. I'm just going to let that dry. So the painting's now dry. I've got a gold pen and I'm just going to draw some flower shapes on here. Just straight over the top, freehand. Now outline the page with the gold pen. And pull the tape off to reveal a beautiful painting. You can see the lovely border that it's created. The pen just frames it nicely. There you go, beautiful watercolour abstract. Hope you've liked this. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you again soon. Okay then, bye.